Hi everyone, it's Miss Jess with this week's recipe, fruit popsicles. Today I'm making a pineapple mango popsicle, but you can use whatever fruit you want. Here's what you'll need: a blender, frozen mango, frozen pineapple, orange juice, a popsicle mold, a measuring cup, and scissors. First, cut or peel open your frozen fruit package. It would be helpful if you let your frozen fruit thaw for 1 to 2 hours before starting the recipe. First step is to pour half a cup of frozen fruit into your measuring cup. Then pour it into the blender. Repeat this step with any other frozen fruit you have. Next, open your orange juice and measure 1 cup. And pour it into the blender. Make sure you close and cover the lid securely. Blend the ingredients for 15 to 20 seconds. Then remove the tops of your popsicle mold and pour your mixture into the mold. Securely fasten the tops of the mold. Put your mold into the freezer and let it cool for a minimum of 5 hours. Take it out and you're done. There's your popsicle. Enjoy!